BMW, the unique South African story, a luxury coffee table book covering the fascinating first 50-year journey of BMW in South Africa. The book comprehensively delves into the unique models developed for the South African market which have become icons in their own right. These include the 530mLe, 333i, 325IS, 745i, and so much more. Plus, an in-depth look at the three motorsport models that were made at the Rosslyn plant: the first and second generation M5, the second generation M3 Coupe, and M3 Sedan. But there is so much more to this book. It evaluates how BMW has made an impact on South African society in so many different ways. Welcome to the remarkable journey of BMW in South Africa, a legacy built on vision, innovation, and performance. Our story begins in 1931 when Günter Ludwig arrived in South Africa, bringing with him his beloved BMW R47 motorcycle. A year later, he became the sole BMW motorcycle concessionaire, operating as Club Garage. Fast forward to 1966, BMW Germany acquired the struggling glass car manufacturer. Johannes Pretorius, a visionary South African businessman, saw this as an opportunity. Alongside Ludwig and his son Siegfried, he co-founded Euro Republic Automobile Distributors, securing a license to manufacture BMWs in South Africa, marking the beginning of local BMW production. Using glass 1700 bodies which were fitted with BMW engines, resulting in the first BMWs built outside Germany known as the 1800 SA and 2000 SA models, the first of which rolled off the assembly line at Rosslyn in 1968. In 1972, the BMW SA model lineup was refined, incorporating design elements from established BMW models thanks to renowned designer Pietro Fura, which gave rise to the 1804 and 2004. BMW South Africa knew that racing success translated to sales success. In 1976, the legendary 530mLe made its debut, 3 years before the M1. Piloted by Alain Lavoisier and Eddie Kaizen, it dominated the racing scene, winning consecutive championships and cementing BMW's motorsport legacy in South Africa. In 1984, South Africa's exclusive 745i sedan set new performance standards. Powered by BMW's M1-derived M88 engine, it became the fastest sedan of its time, impressing even F1 champion Nelson Piquet. Then, in 1985, BMW SA made a bold statement with its headquarters, the Round Building in Midrand. Designed by South African architect Hans Hallen, its unique circular design mirrors the iconic BMW roundel, making it a landmark in Johannesburg's landscape. Meanwhile, entrepreneur Richard Maponya opened the first BMW dealership in Soweto, which would forge a long-lasting connection between BMW and Nelson Mandela. During the mid-80s, select BMW dealers in South Africa secured exclusive rights to build Alpina, AC Schnitzer, and Hartgear models, offering high-performance enthusiasts locally assembled world-class machines. The 1980s were a busy decade for BMW SA. The visionary Vic Doolan introduced Motoplan, an all-inclusive maintenance plan that revolutionized after-sales service worldwide. BMW SA also left a cultural imprint. In 1991, Esther Mashlangu became the first African and first woman to paint a BMW art car. In a move as bold as its vehicles, BMW SA launched the third-generation 3 Series in style, flying journalists on the supersonic Concorde between Johannesburg and Cape Town for an unforgettable experience. In the 1990s, the Rosslyn plant outperformed even BMW Germany in quality, producing the BMW 850i with a record-breaking audit score, solidifying South Africa's reputation for excellence. BMW SA also developed the R80 GS Kalahari, a rugged, custom-built adventure motorcycle tailored for the unique demands of South African farmers and game rangers. BMW SA even engineered a special straight-six engine from the E36 3 Series for the Land Rover Defender, proving its versatility in vehicle development. BMW's dominance in South African motorsport was driven by the legends like Tony Viana, Eddie Kaizen, and Sabina Schmitz, who not only won championships, but also shaped BMW's motorsport legacy. BMW, the unique South African story.